these buildings. Patty, where are we?
I've been in the show for 2 seconds. I'm already bored off.
Oh, you're already... Well, we're doing 2 shows today that I find to be very, very interesting. One is where we're at now. A toy train show. Look at that. Holy cow, that is so cool. Hello. How much is that train right there? That cool one up there? The red and silver one.
1,650.
Holy
Right
cow!
one?
Yeah.
That's the popular red Mohawk that Lionel made in 2021.
Holy cow! I can't even. Thanks a lot. Look at these trains. So anyway. Wow! Look at that. Oops. This show is packed with people. And we're going to go to 2 shows today. One is a toy fair where you can go and buy toys. And then this show, which is a train show. I'm fascinated with trains because I want to do a big train set where I build like my own little world. And I'll probably be going through some sort of Halloween town. Or maybe Christmas. I just got to get a room to start it. And I just think it's the ultimate creative outlet to build your own little city where trains are rolling through. But I have never been to a train show. This is interesting. Do you not find this interesting, Patty? No? Now, Patty, a question for you.
Huh?
Were you aware that I want to turn a whole room into my own city and build one and have trains?
It's never going to happen.
And slot cars running through? Oh, yes, it is. It is. No, it's going to happen. Holy cow, look at all this stuff. Now, if you were a model maker, for example,
few engines downstairs.
And you were trying to say recreate a scale model of pretty much anything. You got to go to the train industry, the toy train industry, because they have all the things you're looking for. Look, they got trains of all sizes. It's crazy. Look, you can get this little bridge. Man, 2 trains can go across. I don't know. I just find this to be completely fascinating. You know, if you retire, can you think of anything that would be more fun than just buying all this junk and building your own city? Wow. Look at that. High-speed trains. Cool. Oh my goodness. $325 for that train. It's crazy. I think I lost Patty. And look at that, they're even selling like train lights. I don't know where she went. Look at the detail on the trains. Look at that. Look at this one.
Power, dummy tail.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing detail. Those are like hand painted.
I have no idea.
And these are like $39. These here are $125, $99, $119. This is an expensive hobby. I mean, you could have thousands and thousands of dollars invested in this pretty quick, I would imagine. Wow, there's so much to look at here. Oh my goodness. And people. Oh, here you go. Here's all the little Christmas towns. I gotta find out what happened to Patty. She ditched me. Oh, here's the tractors. When you create your own town, you know, you gotta have all the cars and everything. There's a little CUDA. Look at that, Hot Wheels. Where did you go?
By the front entrance that we walked in at.
Oh, no, you come in here and walk with me.
No, I did walk.
No, come.
You're ignoring me. What the hell are you talking about? You talk to me.
Just get over here.
Like walking to booths. You talk to me.
Come all the way to the right side and come down here. Look at that train set. Trains everywhere. Look at that. So cool. Wow. Look at those. $300. Hey, trains aren't cheap. And somebody's selling leaf filters because they know the show's going to be really busy, because it is. Hey, I'm right by the door. Come on in. All right, hurry up. Patty ditched me. And there's somebody selling fudge. Look at all these like beautiful houses. Holy smokes. Look at that. That's so cool. See, this is what I'm talking about right here. Just the patience it takes and the creativity. I mean, it's definitely something that I'm going to get into at some point to occupy my time, if nothing else. And look at these searchlights on trains. That's a World War II thing. Look at these trains. Look how cool they are.
And the barrel was, they didn't get the barrel right. It was too fat and stout.
Wow.
The printer just made it wrong.
And as I said, we are leaving from here and we are going to go to a toy show. Look at all of these old boxes. Holy cow. And all these little miniature people.
Tell them to get off the phone. We're playing.
My God. If I was ready to start my train city that I would like to build. And I'm going to do mine with a slot car, so you can play slot cars and or run the train. I got to get both the kids out of the house. And I got to take one of the rooms and get going on it. And it just seems like a very relaxing thing to do.
Yeah, I was wondering.
Just watching a train go around. How's that not relaxing? But for me, it'll be the creative part of creating the world first. Oh, he's got a lot of military stuff. Look at all these towns. Look at this house. Holy cow. Look at all these little buildings over here. I mean, Jesus Christ, I'd have to come with a truck. I'd have to bring like 3 people with me. Just $90 for that. My goodness. Look at the little sides of beef. That's Leatherface's house. That's where Leatherface works. Yes, I see that. It's for Leatherface. And look at that. That is super cool. There's no 2 ways about it. And look at this.
He's from here.
There's whole trains set up. We'll get to that in a second. But what I was saying is I'm going to go to a toy show, and you're probably wondering, what does any of this have to do with Halloween or horror or anything else? I think most haunted house owners got into wanting to do a haunted house because they played with toys as a kid, like I did. Superheroes, army men, trains, race car tracks, and everything in between. It's because it's a very creative thing to do, to act out, create storylines for your, for your characters. I had G.I. Joes, and here comes the train.
We're talking about going over.
Choo-choo. This reminded me of Mr. Rogers. Look at that.
Excuse me.
A town of miniatures. Oh, look at that. There's
Here to wipe your nose.
they've got an airfield over here. Oh, of course, World War II. Vintage planes. Fort Cody. Says, I guess it's supposed to be Western themed. Look at that. The barge. Look at that. The barge is dropping cars off from one side to the other. Now that is sick. Look at that. That is crazy. So awesome. But anyway, we're going to go to a toy fair and see what kind of cool horror toys we can find. Look at this train set. Oh my goodness. Look at the swing set. That's how crazy this hobby is. Hey, look at the swing sets. And by the way, did you see the barge that goes back and forth to pick up that goes back and forth? That's so sick. Look at that. Patty, can you get into this hobby with me at some point down the road? No?
No, I don't.
You don't find it, you don't think it would be fun? Look at this, there comes the train. And look, it's pushing the Back to the Future car. Patty, we'll create like our own Halloween town. Okay? You know, are you with me? Are you on board? And then we'll also have a race car track.
The key word is bored.
Patty, you don't even know how much fun you would have. And look what they got in here. A kid's train. Unbelievable.
The only thing that makes me happy is
everything about it should make you happy because playing with trains is fun. We got a couple more train tracks to see here, and then we'll be off to the toy fair. Oh, here comes the train. New Switzerland, Highland, Illinois Model Railroad Club. Here we go. Oh my God, how many trains are on here? And where's the caboose? And here comes another one. Oh, look at this. We have a movie theater that's playing Gone with the Wind. We have a billiards, an ice cream place, a restaurant, Italian, and a hardware store. Look at that, they're making Pepsi. Unbelievable. Very cool. Look at that. Here comes the train again. Looks like somebody's got a car wash going on there. Whoop. And you have a farm. A wind farm. And look at this. What the heck? They're drilling oil. Look at that one. So sick. And there's a John Deere dealership. A cattle farm. And look at this. A train turned into a diner. I mean, they've thought of everything here. And here comes that train again. I'm thinking about jumping on. Caterpillar dealer. Oh my goodness. Well, that was interesting, if you ask me. Oh, there's an Arby's. And a helicopter and a dollar store of all the places. Unbelievable. And there's Patty over there. Look at this. Unbelievable. So Patty, what'd you think? Patricia, what'd you think?
I think I'm ready to go.
You're ready to go? Okay. All right, she's ready to go. So that wraps up the train show. And we're going to head off to the toy fair and see what that's all about. But these train shows are the real deal. I'm like excited to maybe get started in the train hobby very soon. And Patty,
The kids make me happy.
did you have fun for the whole 15 minutes we were here? Patty, seeing all the trains don't make you feel like you don't see it as a creative outlet. You don't see it as something that could be very calming.
Yeah, for some people.
Yeah, but just not for you.
It's just not my thing.
And Patty, what?
Am I allowed to?
And what kind of toys has it ever dawned on you would like to go out and find a toy from your childhood just to have it
You're
again?
talking about the next show?
Yes.
No, I don't want it. I don't mind seeing it again, but I don't necessarily want to collect more junk in our house.
Is it really just a guy thing, you think, to like go out and get the toys back they had as a kid? Look here.
It's an every guy thing.
Here's another little train set going on. And this one's really pretty. Look at this. Look at that one. A lot of effort went into that. Oh, that's Thomas the train. How cute.
All right, should we go look at more trains?
My gosh. Penny. Whoops. Don't you think we could stay here all day? Don't you think that would be fun? Patty's saying no. Now, Patty, what if we took this one and say, hey, let us have this spot. We'll put the Psycho house right there. Right? And we'll have the little pond with all the cars in the water. What do you think?
Lighting?
Huh? I'm just saying, like, we'll recreate that one. Look at this. Look at the clouds coming out of.
It's a train. Oh no.
They got little lights in there. Here's the train again.
Train never stops.
That's lightning. That's really cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Very interesting here at the train show. And so, with that being said, and there's Patty. Hopefully you felt like a kid again, because I know I did. I'm a little hot because I'm wearing a really heavy coat.
Freezing in St. Louis today.
Well, it's freezing, but it wasn't freezing in there.
Hopefully St. Louis gets the freezing weather out of its system for
Yeah, for Transworld, yeah. Well, anyway, until next time at the train show. Hopefully it made you feel like a kid again, like it did me. And I'm like really, my brain is swirling right now, thinking about making that city in a whole bedroom that my kid evacuated. Look at her. Oh, yes. And I got a huge slot car track. Trains and slot cars. What's better than that? I guess monsters, maybe. Anyway, until next time.